Do you want to become more productive? Do you want to manage your time better? Then you have most likely come across the Pareto principle before. The Pareto principle, also known as the 80-20 rule. If you have never heard of it, then you will learn more about it in this video. Keep watching till the end. The Pareto principle states that in any situation, 20% of the inputs or activities are responsible for 80% of the results or outputs. For example, you wear 20% of your clothes 80% of the time. In a book, 20% of its pages contain 80% of the most important information. 20% of the company's customers produce 80% of the company's revenue. The Pareto principle shows up over and over again in almost every area of life. But the inverse is also true. That means that the other 80% is only generating 20% of the results. It's not always going to be 80-20. It can be 90-10 or 70-30 or 85-15 or 95-5. Don't just go by the numbers. The essence of the principle is that the majority of results come from a minority of causes, and the minority of results come from the majority of causes. Time is our most precious resource, but most of us don't use it effectively. Many of us keep ourselves busy, but we wonder why are we not getting the results that we want to. If you want to get remarkable results, just being busy would not cut it. You need to do an audit of your daily activities and see which activities are giving you most of the results. Double down on those activities and cut down on the ones which take up most of your time and give you little results. Let us now go back to the example of reading a book. Let us say that a book takes 10 hours to complete. 20% of the book has 80% of the information. You can understand the key messages of the book if you go through the 20% of the most important pages. If you spend 8 more hours, you could read the entire book. I am not saying that you should not read the entire book, that is up to you. But if you only had 2 hours, you should know which part of the book you should focus on. That is especially true if you are a student. If you want to get good grades in an exam, it is important to know which topics are the most important. You could spend all your time reading 80% of the book from which you get only 20% of the questions. Even though you would have worked very hard, you would not get a good grade because you have not read the more important 20%. The Pareto principle applies to your social interactions as well. Let's say you have a group of 10 friends, but you derive your enjoyment by hanging out with only 2 or 3 of them. These are the friends that offer the maximum value. These 20% friends add 80% of the value in friendships. The other 80% friends offer only 20% value. Now I'm not saying that you drop your other friends altogether, but you don't have to spend equal amount of time with all your companions. You can spend more time with the friends who provide you more value and lesser time with the ones that do not provide as much value. After all, it's better to have a few close friends than to have a bunch of distant friends. If you have a business and you have many customers, 20% of your customers would give you 80% of your results. If you want to scale up your business, would you focus on all customers equally? Or would you focus on the 20% customers who give you 80% of the revenue? That in essence is the Pareto principle. You could apply this principle to any area of your life and devote more time to the 20% which brings the maximum value in your life. If you want me to keep making such videos, subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon. This will keep me motivated. Thank you. See you the next time. Bye bye.